I was tired of my bland laundry room and my unorganized shelves that were up so high. So when I found this laundry countertop, I knew this was going to be absolutely perfect. The steps are so simple. There's actually only 4 of them, and it comes with the countertop plus some storage shelves as well. It comes with all the hardware you need, these 3 pieces that act as the sides of the shelves, and these gorgeous wood pieces. The quality on these are really nice, and I love the colors of it. Plus, it's waterproof and really easy to clean. It also has that wood grain texture to it as well. They all come with pre-drilled holes, and they're numbered to make it even easier. There are 9 of these anti-slip pads too to protect your washer and dryer from the board sliding. You can put them anywhere you want. There's no certain area that they have to go. The easiest way to put this all together is to actually put the board on top of the washer and dryer so that you can reach all those holes underneath. You start off by putting these little wooden dowels in the side pieces before screwing them in. Now, I used a drill for this part, but you don't have to. It does come with the 2 tools needed to easily screw them in. These shelf pieces are made out of metal and are anti-rust, which is really nice. Plus, they're really lightweight. When installing these ones, you just want to make sure that you pay attention to where the holes are at on it so you don't have to take them off and redo it because they are a little different on each one. The next are the 2 backboards, and I have to say I love having these on this countertop. Once those are both in, you're ready for your shelves. They're super easy. You just place them on top of the metal pieces and then screw them in from the bottom. And lastly, your long shelf on the top, and it goes on the exact same way. You just place it on the top and then insert the screws from the bottom. Then you can turn the whole countertop around, being careful that you don't hit any walls. From there, just slide it back into place and then start organizing. And voila, instant upgrade. It honestly gave the laundry room a whole different look. It also comes with these little hangers here so you can hang anything up to dry that you need, like towels and such. I love having the extra shelving space, but my favorite part is these boards on the back because then I am sure that nothing's going to fall back behind, as well as these ones on the sides. It keeps everything in place and everything just looks much better. Everything is organized and in their places and it looks good. Plus, there's so much more space for organization and even for folding. I love it.